Hello, Keller Williams agents. It's Lori Ballen serving Las Vegas and Henderson. Somebody asked me to create a video on how I made my custom field drop down menu. So basically, what I showed today, and I'll just use Jeff as an example here, is I have the ability now to use custom fields down here to show what offer somebody registered for to become a lead. So I lead generate in many ways, and my website ranking on the search engines is my number one way. Many people do Facebook ads and Google ads and all of that, and this would all work similarly. So people will, I'll get, I got like 30 leads this weekend. So they go to my website and they register for either to search IDX or to get an instant home valuation or to get my list of upcoming holiday events or the local discount list or my newsletter, that type of thing. So I want to be able to note that on the lead. Now, eventually my wish list is to have this be automated. For now, this is a manual piece. So right here, if I were to edit this lead, Jeff Helvin, and I want to show what offer he registered for, I'd go down to add more information, custom fields, and you'll see here that I have various custom fields that somebody else may not have. I have what landing page did they land on, their IP address, whether or not they're Las Vegas local, that's a checkbox field, and then which offer they registered on. So this is a drop-down menu. So let's say Jeff registered for an instant home valuation. I'm going to go ahead and just drop that down. I'm going to click Save. And then down here, I can quickly see that Jeff registered for the Las Vegas home evaluation, but maybe that he's not a Las Vegas local for whatever reason, okay? So people want to know how I created that. It's very simple, actually. If we go up here to our profile, drop-down menu, settings. Go down to command settings, contacts, custom fields. So all of these I've created manually. So this is what it would look like. Create custom field, give it a name, registration offer, or just offer that they registered on. And maybe in this case, I'm going to do my other website. So Lori Ballen offer. Okay. Then custom field type. So down here, you can enter a text field, an area, a drop-down menu, a date field, a checkbox, a number, a URL, a percentage, a currency. These are all available right now. Well, in my case, we did drop-down. So now you have to create that little drop-down list. Now, my suggestion is that you sit down and figure out all of those offers first before you start playing in here, because I have noticed it's a tad glitchy, so it's duplicating things. So I like to have it clean right out of the gate. So sit down and make a list of all the offers that you register, make that people register for. So Lori Ballen offer. So add drop down option. So this might be they're registering for my marketing group. So maybe my Facebook marketing group. And the next one is my at your command coaching. And my third one is my a webinar, just any webinar. And the next one is going to be they registered for my notes. Facebook at your command coaching. The next one is maybe they subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, get the idea? So then once I have that list complete, I can checkbox make default custom field, create. There it is, Lori Ballen offer. So now let's just take a look at what it looks like. So we'll go back to contacts and we'll pull up Lori Ballen. Ballen team, that works. So I'd be editing this lead, scroll down, add more information. Custom Lori Ballen offer is webinar, save, and then it'll show up right down here at a glance. That's how you can add your custom fields. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas, and I would very much appreciate your real estate referrals.